Growing your own food on a balcony? Sounds like the ultimate wellness hack, right? Gut-friendly greens, glowing skin, and a sense of self-sufficiency. But, is it really that simple? Today let's take a closer look and unpack the truth behind the balcony gardening hype. First up, not everyone has a balcony, or time. Many city dwellers live in spaces where gardening just isn't practical. Between limited sunlight, air pollution, or tight schedules, your wellness garden might turn into just another unfinished project. No balcony? No time? You're not alone. Secondly, homegrown doesn't always mean better results. Your gut microbiome is as unique as your fingerprint. While kale might boost one person's gut health, it could trigger bloating in someone else with digestive issues like SIBO. One size doesn't fit all. And what about those powerful probiotics from DIY ferments like sauerkraut? Fermentation can be amazing, but only when done right. Skipping hygiene steps or using the wrong tools can result in harmful bacteria like Clostridium botulinum. Yikes! Start small. Follow trusted guides. Not every miracle plant can thrive on your balcony. Turmeric, for example, needs 8 to 10 months of warm weather. And kale? It bolts in hot climates, turning bitter and less nutritious. Choose plants suited to your climate. Even if you grow your own food, there's the organic illusion. City air pollution and contaminated soil can sneak toxins like lead into your homegrown veggies. Test your soil. Use clean containers. And while ferments offer live bacteria, they're no substitute for clinically proven probiotics. Some strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG have proven effects you won't find in DIY kimchi. Use ferments to support, not replace, medical treatments. Let's talk skin. Yes, gut health can influence your glow, but genetics, hormones, sleep, and skincare play huge roles too. A mint plant on your windowsill won't erase acne overnight. Gut health is just one piece of the puzzle. Lastly, setting up a garden isn't free. Pots, soil, seeds, it adds up. For some families, the cost and effort might outweigh the benefits, especially if the plants don't thrive. Use recycled containers. Share costs with neighbors. Is balcony gardening bad? Not at all. It can be a beautiful healing habit. But let's balance the hype with realism. Start small, stay informed, and remember, wellness is a journey, not a miracle solution. Like this video, if you learned something new, subscribe for more wellness truths and tell us in the comments, what are you growing this season?